I've been doing all this talking with my mic. Bow. You gotta start over. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel. Hopefully today's video I can talk through this video, but I'm not sure how my mic is feeling today and I have not yet gotten a new one. But happy new year. I think I haven't seen you all since like before Christmas, so Merry Christmas, Happy Hanukkah, Happy Kwanzaa, Happy Holidays, Happy New Year, Happy Haitian Independence Day, and most of all, it was my birthday this past Thursday. So happy birthday to me. Right now I'm going to do a get ready with me for brunch because I'm going to a little birthday kind of like get together. Not too extra, just something simple. So I wanted to come on camera for the first video of the new year and show you guys how I get ready. So from here on out, it might be voiceover if this sounds trash. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoy and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Trying to reach major goals in 2020. First things first, we're going to go ahead and do the eyebrows. I'm using the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade 4.5, and I already filled them in. I am just going to conceal. And today I am using the e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer. And I can tell right away that that is a very matte concealer. It almost didn't want to move there, but it did. And this is pretty much the best that I can do today with these brows. Okay, so now it's time to prime. And I'm going in with this e.l.f. Poreless Putty Primer. For foundation today, I'm going to be using the NYX Born to Glow foundation in the color Sienna. Not sure if this is my shade. I'm just assuming it is because that is the shade that I use in the NYX. I was about to say drop it like it's hot. Y'all know what I'm called. Stop, won't stop, can't stop, won't stop. And that's about as much coverage as I want today, not too much. I'm to conceal using again the e.l.f. 16-hour camo concealer. Next, I'm going to go in with my Warrior palette by Juvia's Place, and I'm going to use that for eyeshadow today. I'm not going to do too much with shadow today, so I'm going to start off with Kano and put that all over. That's pretty much it for the shadow look because I'm not trying to do too much. It is just brunch. But I did want some color on the lid, just a little bit. Next, I'm going to take this Morphe Glamour Bronze in the shade Phenom, and I'm going to bronze. I was going to add a little highlight, but this foundation is very glowy, and it's not that much coverage. I should have probably put on more, but it's fine. I don't always need that coverage. I'm going to go in with this ColourPop Light Stick in the shade Acting Up. You can get Smack It Up. Next, I'm going in with this Laneige Grapefruit Lip Glowy Balm. I'm going to set my face with this HD Flawless Setting Powder from Absolute New York. I'm going to also add a little bit of blush from the Maybelline Fit line, and I think this is the shade 60. I'm going to set my face today with the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Coconut 3-in-1 Primer Water. And pretty much the last thing I'm going to use is the mascara from Mile High Club. It's a volume and length mascara that I got from Influencer. I don't think it's a drugstore, but I know it's not a drugstore. But I wanted to try it out since I haven't had the chance to use it, so I'm going to do that. You can see the difference from this eye to that eye. It's pretty good. I do feel like this will spread. If you're like me and don't let it dry, I think it'll get everywhere. Because I'm already getting some little oil spills. Listen, I did go ham with the mascara today because I am not wearing lashes. So that is pretty much what is going to be going down on this face today. So my camera cut out because it's being a jerk and you didn't get to see me applying my lip. This lip look is brought to you by Makeup Shayla. I used her BFF4 pencil with the collab that she did with ColourPop. Also Neat Freak from the first ColourPop collection she did, and Quickie, which is the lipstick. So I basically just applied that in the order that well, not in the order, but I used the lipstick first, of course. And yeah, that is pretty much it for this look. This is something very basic and simple. I have on like this basic dress that I got from Forever 21, hair in a bun. So this is a soft but not glam look. And it's drugstore, so yeah, you don't have to spend a whole bunch to get this look. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel, like this video, and leave me comments, and I will see you guys in the next video.